Y'all tell Adam hello, because he jumped in the camera. Hey Gems, it's your girl Stylist Raven. If this is your first time, if this is your first time to my channel, then let me welcome you. I'm your girl Stylist Raven. Go check out all my videos. Alright, this is gonna be all about kind of like Sephora and my Sephora Gratis that I got during the time that I was actually employed there. So all my gratis came in this lovely gallon freezer bag. And y'all wasn't ready for that, huh? So I've talked about Sephora quite a few times here on my channel before. Occasionally I work part-time for them as a makeup consultant or makeup advisor or beauty consultant advisor, whichever you want to call it. Yes, I own my own salon. Yes, I also substitute teach, but I am a girl at heart for Sephora, you know, so I can't help it. I love to go and just sign up part-time just to meet more people and everything. If that's your thing, then you definitely should do it, because it's not a hard job at all. The team that I was lucky to work with was absolutely wonderful, and unfortunately, due to my mom taking ill and me being gone for an extensive amount of time, being that it was part-time, I basically had to be let go at the end of the season and not brought on. But I was told that they would definitely refer me to other stores or anything, because they thought that was a good worker and all that good stuff. Now, that's if I want to do it. Clearly, I don't have to go work for Sephora to do makeup. Duh. But when you do, you get things like, what? So it's all about the gratis, baby. No, I'm just playing. Alright, so some things that I got, let's see. I got a makeup eraser, right? So I'm gonna just kind of go through all of this for you guys to see. This is the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. It's polyester, it's supposed to be like no more wipes, and it's antibacterial, reusable, lasts 3 to 5 years, great for sensitive skin, and you get to save money. It's cruelty free, vegan friendly, FDA approved, and EU approved. And I thought this was super cute because I haven't actually opened it. I haven't used it yet. Oh my god, it's a bunny. What is it? Okay, let's open it for the, I don't know what it is. Oh no, what is this? Okay. I'm guessing this is bunny ears. Are these bunny ears? Oh my goodness, bitch. I think that's bunny ears. They done fucked up the church's money. They gave me some bunny ears. Okay, I'll keep those on. The rest are either llama ears, because they have a llama on the front. Whatever the case. Oh, it looks like a little bib. That's cute. Like a little, I think I'm supposed to be a llama. That's cute. Okay, all right. Sephora, I see you, girl. I see you, girl. And I'm here for it, okay? Of course, when working for Sephora, you meet tons of brands and brand reps, and then they come in and they leave things for you. So I had the pleasure to train under, I cannot remember her name, but the lady from I trained under quite a few people, but Drunk Elephant. Let me see if she left anything more than just that. I think she did. Yeah, see, she did. I'll show you guys some of those things here. If I come across anything else that I'm just not digging out at the time, I'll let you guys know. Yes, so I got to get the Daily Defense, the tint. with the SPF of 30. It's like a sunscreen but like a little tint, and it's pretty cool. You get the regular size. I don't really have a problem with Drunk Elephant's brand. I really do like it. You just have to properly know how to use some of the products and really not get caught up in all the beautiful neon colors, but actually look and see if it's what you need for your skin type. Again, some more of the physical SPF, I hate to say suntan lotion, you know, that's what all black people call it, but SPF sun lotion. I also got the under eye cream, which is bomb. I like this. You just and then it squirts under the eyes after you've, you know, freshly washed your face, or even on a dry face, and it's going to actually retain moisture. Of course, this one here comes with this 6 rare African oils, and I'm not going to go into like all the products in detail and tell y'all what's in them and all of that, but this was the moisturizer. It was like the mousse moisturizer, and my nose itch. You push it down, it comes out like mousse. I love this. And then I got the retinol, of course, which I'm not really going to be using the retinol like that. You have to really be careful with this because it is true to form. I got this, a little Clean Beauty collective thing. So that's pretty cool. It's just like a little pouch that came with some of the stuff. I got the Lancome Paris, the water to clean your face. Y'all know I love that. I currently use this one by Gournay. So I'm actually excited to try this. All right, is it Shiseido? I think that's what it was. The wrinkle-free express smoothing eye mask with the pure retinol in it as well. And I think it's 2 sheets are in here, so 1 for each eye with the instructions on back. I got a sample of that. Dior, I got to meet the Dior rep. She was so goddamn cool, like on a whole nother level. I really liked her. She gave me the Backstage face and body primer. So just in case y'all didn't know, Dior does have a primer, and it is bomb. I love it. This is actually Dr. Dennis Cross. I'm not sure. I think this was just something they put in my gratis bag, because you don't always get, like, sometimes you just get stuff that they fill and they put in there. This is a pore perfecting and refining serum. Bam, there she go. Look at her, look at her. Then I got this one with the Indie Lee. It was a brightening cleanser, or cleanser, however you want to say it. Something with Belief, a pore cleaner and bubble foam. I think they just put this shit in my bag. I don't know, because I don't know what this is. Then of course I got some good Sephora stuff. Don't sleep on the Sephora stuff, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, don't. So I got the Lashcraft Volumizing Mascara by Sephora in the color Noir, so it's black. And they gave me a Bow Brow from Sephora in the color Universal Deep. So both of those are Sephora. Sephora, actually, their brand has really good stuff. Of course, I got the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. So if you really want to get in and, you know, detail draw shapes, because we have holidays coming up, like, damn, what holidays are coming up? Fall is a season, not a holiday. That's the Virgo in me, because y'all know my birthday is Saturday. Woohoo! Oh, so if you want to get in and draw shapes, or just make a really cool cat eye, you want to draw dots, whatever it is you want to do, it's always good when you have this type of eyeliner, like a, you know, liquid felt tip eyeliner. Now I still prefer my liquid eyeliners. Let me see if I can do this without bumping the camera. Probably not. I might need to, like, my go-to eyeliner over the counter that I absolutely love is from e.l.f. And see, it's the brush, but you have to really don't fuck up, girl, because you'll have a whole black eye. Literally, shit'll be all up on the inside the eye. Then Belief, we have an Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser for all skin types. I haven't used it, nothing like that, but that's how that looks. Is this a bar soap? Yes, a Peaky bar from Drunk Elephant. Oh my goodness. Wait till I see her again. And I got an Extreme Lash Mascara from Hourglass. The like travel size, which is always good to have. I'm not tripping off of that because the day you just need to pop on a little something, I can be in a corner. Or I can just actually use it. And I actually was happy about this one because this is the Ultra Glow Serum from Sephora, and it has not broke me out. I think, let me see if it had a fragrance to it. It's a slight fragrance to it. It's not, you know, that big old G, that big old Gratis on there. So they gotta, but I actually like this. I've used it and I actually really like it. I've used it on my face. I've used it on my body. So I actually like it. And that completes my Gratis bag. So I guess if y'all have questions, because now that I've done this video, I can put all this away where I need it to go. And I love y'all. You can't tell me nothing. Y'all, I'm a llama, bitch. I might have to wear these for my birthday. I don't know, but yeah. So this is not Gratis. However, I bought this on my own, the Jackie Anna palette. Y'all, I really can't. Not only am I raspy, but I can't talk today. The Jackie Anna palette. So yeah, I bought this on my own. Of course you get discounts and stuff when you work at Sephora. My best thing about working at Sephora was definitely the people on the staff with me and the people that I got to meet. I kind of worked at a more high-end Sephora, so you would still get a pretty mixed demographics come in, but I absolutely loved my store. I have no complaints about my store. I loved all the people there. I got along with them. Just like any, I guess, regular job, you could get caught up in stuff. I never did. I stayed out of the drama. I stayed out of all of that stuff. And yeah, that would be like my best advice to y'all. My thing I hated the most about working at Sephora, can't even really say the drive, because I was commuting an hour to go. That's how bad I just wanted to work there. But I guess when you really like something, it doesn't matter. You'll do it anyway. So I'd probably say the thing I hate the most is that I was let go. They didn't choose to keep me on, but I understand because that's one of these smaller locations. So, and I mean, anytime you take up seasonal, you understand going in, that's a possibility you may be able to or you may not be able to. And it was just a seasonal job, so it is what it is. And I'm back to doing all my other stuff, which works out best for me anyway. So, I mean, it's not like I can't apply. I will apply again probably in the future when my schedule opens up more time. And in the meantime, y'all can put all your questions, comments, concerns, whatever in the comments below. If you have questions about any of the products that you've seen on this video, ask me in the comments and I will answer you in the comments. All right. Bye, girl, because I'm a llama. I'm a llama this, llama that. I'm gonna llama lather myself and just don't ask. I don't know what's going on. My nose itching though, and it's not I don't have nothing in it. It's just I was looking at the monitor, but I don't have anything in it. Bye.